Well, hello there, friends. I'm here to tell you about an incredible solution that will keep you cool and comfortable all year round. Introducing Whole House Fan, the key to transforming your home into a sanctuary of refreshing air. When it comes to whole house fans, nobody does it better than Whole House Fan Company. With 40 years of experience and a commitment to excellence, they are the trusted experts in creating optimal home ventilation systems. Imagine a home where you can invite the fresh outside air in, banishing stuffiness and replacing it with a refreshing cross breeze. With a whole house fan, you can experience the true joy of a cool and revitalizing atmosphere. And here's the exciting news. In celebration of Independence Day, Whole House Fan Company is offering a special promotion. Take advantage of this limited time opportunity to receive $300 off your whole house fan installation and elevate your home's comfort to new heights. Say goodbye to relying solely on expensive air conditioning and hello to a more energy efficient and cost-effective solution. Whole House Fan not only keeps you comfortable, but also helps you save up to 50 to 90% on your energy bills. So, my friends, don't miss out on this incredible 4th of July offer. Visit our website today to schedule your free evaluation and claim your $300 discount. Whole House Fan Company, your trusted partner for a cool and refreshing home.